Forgot your Expedia password and can't book that trip? In 2 minutes, you'll be back in your account. Just follow these simple steps. Go to Expedia.com, click Sign In, then Forgot Password, and check your email. Alright, let's jump in and get you back into that account. First, open up your browser and head over to Expedia.com. This is the main homepage you see when you first come to the site. There's no need to sign in yet or do anything fancy here. Just make sure you're on the right page and not a lookalike or some third-party site. You want the official Expedia homepage. Once that loads up, look at the very top right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Sign In. Give that a click. This is the standard entry point for anyone who already has an account, and it's exactly where we need to be to start the recovery process. Now, after you click Sign In, a small drop-down or a pop-up window will appear. Down at the bottom of that box, you'll see a link that says Forgot Password. Sometimes it's written as Forgot Your Password with a question mark. Click on that. This is the key that opens the door to getting back in. It tells Expedia, hey, I know I have an account. I just need help remembering the credentials. Next, the site will ask you for the email address that's connected to your Expedia account. This is really important. Make sure it's the exact same email you used when you first signed up. If you usually check a Gmail address but used an old work email years ago, use that older one. Type it carefully, double-check for any typos, and then move on. Once you've entered your email, click the Continue button or the Submit button. The wording might vary slightly depending on updates, but it's the big blue or green button right there on the screen. Give it a click and let the system do its thing. This might take a moment to process, so be patient while it sends the information out. Now here's where we switch gears. Open up your email inbox. This could be Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, whatever you use. Look for a new message from Expedia. The subject line will usually be something like Reset Your Password or Password Recovery Instructions. Check your main inbox first, but if you don't see it right away, take a peek in your spam folder or the Promotions tab. Sometimes these automated emails get filtered out, so don't panic if it's not at the top of your list. It's a common pitfall. Once you find that email, open it up. Inside, there will be a button or a link that says something like Reset Password or Create New Password. Click on that. This will take you to a secure page on Expedia's website where you can finally set a new password. And here's the really important part, something a lot of people overlook. When you create your new password, make it something strong, but also something you can remember. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, maybe a number or two, and a special character. But don't make it so complicated that you'll be right back here in a week trying to reset it again. A passphrase, like a small sentence you can remember, actually works great. Type your new password in the first box, then type it again in the confirm box to make sure there are no typos. Then hit Submit or Save Changes. You should see a confirmation message that says your password was successfully updated. Alright, now for the final step. Go back to the Expedia homepage or the sign-in screen. Enter your email address and your brand new password. Click Sign In, and you should be back inside your account, ready to book that flight or hotel. And just like that, you're back in control. No more frustration, no more locked out feeling. You've got this. Happy travels.